Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to perform a virus scan on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open Device Care, and here you should pick Security. Now click on Activate, and to perform a virus scan, smoothly click on Scan Phone right here in the middle of the screen. Now you just have to patiently wait until the whole operation is performed, and then you will be provided with detailed information. And that's it. As you can see, your device is secure, and this is it. This is how you can perform a virus scan in your Samsung Galaxy A30s. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.